So today we're looking at WAN 2.1 plus Scale 2 for character motion transfer on Floyo. So what this workflow basically does is it transfers the motion from any video onto your character from just one single reference image. So now let's have a look at the workflow. So this is basically how the workflow looks. This is the load video node where you'll be uploading your input video from which the original motion will be taken, and this is the load image node where you will be uploading your reference character which will take the motion from the video you will be uploading. So this is the main node here which defines how things will happen in the workflow. So this is basically enable if you want character replacement. So by default I've enabled it. So if it's enabled, what will happen is the character which you have given in the reference will be replaced by the character that is there in your video, and it will take the motion of the video. And if you'll disable this thing, so what will happen here is the character will take the motion from the video, but the scenes will be changed. So let's keep it default to true only. Then just one thing you'll have to toggle here is the prompt. Here I've kept the prompt as women talking realistic video. Keep the prompt as short and simple, just describing what's there in the video, and it will work perfectly fine. So after that, when you're all set with the prompt, the input video and the character, then just click on the run button and you're good to go with the workflow. So all the models will be loaded, and after the models will be loaded, the SAM 3.1 will perform its segmentation, and you can see the preview mask here, and it will also show the motion of the video, and then after that you can see the final video here in itself. So this is basically how the workflow perform the motion transfer. So again, we're looking at WAN 2.1 Scale 2 for character motion transfer on Floyo. Do check out this workflow, and there are many other verified to run workflows. So you just need to click on run and you're good to go. Thank you.